Can we withdraw money on Cryptoguru? Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will see if we can actually withdraw money from Cryptoguru application. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, if you have already opened up Cryptoguru, let us understand what is Cryptoguru. So Cryptoguru is a trading simulator that lets you practice cryptocurrency trades using the virtual money. It looks realistic, but do not get confused. The money in your account is not real. So as you can see, I have currently this amount in my account, but this is not actually the real money. It's the virtual money on my account. So we will see if we can actually withdraw this money. Many users wonder around how you can withdraw their earnings, but the truth is you cannot withdraw real money from Cryptoguru because it does not deal with the real cash. It's just for simulation and practice. So the application is designed only for the educational purpose. That means all of your profits, loss and balances are virtual. So it's like a great learning tool, but it is not a way to earn income. So that's why we will not be able to withdraw any real money from Cryptoguru. You can still use Cryptoguru to learn the trading strategies, test the market and grow your skill, and all without risking your real money. So hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.